Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, Mama Bear Marketing. I am so excited you're here. I'm so excited that you're reviewing this video. So I want to talk today about goal setting secrets. How smart goals can really transform your marketing. Apparently speaking is not a thing today, but it's fine. So I'm going to teach you guys how to create actionable, realistic goals using the SMART method framework. Even though it drives me up a wall, I hated it in college, but it's fine. It works for most people. So did you ever set a goal and then crickets? Nothing? I'm going to show you how to set those goals that actually drive results. But before I even get started in the SMART goals, here's what I want to teach you, and it's something that my mentor, Rachel Peterson, taught me. Most of us start out in marketing and or looking to make money online with these huge impression goals. And those are great, right? So say you want to, let me rest to trust your whiteboard. Say you want to go on vacation in the Maldives. Solid goal, right? It's beautiful. I don't, simply because I don't have the body for it, but that's a whole nother video, right? So this is your goal. So this is what you set out to do. Okay, how are you going to get there? Because if you just see this, you're not going to see the small steps you're taking to get to this. And you're going to give up, you're going to feel overwhelmed, and you're going to walk away, right? You're going to get frustrated when you don't see the sales coming in consistently, when you don't see that bar going up all the time to reach this because it's not happening overnight, okay? So I'm going to teach you guys how to do SMART goals, break them down, and create almost like a step stool, a ladder to get to this, whatever this may be for you, whether that's putting bills on auto pay or being able to take the family on vacation or just being comfortable where you're at or starting home remodeling projects, whatever it may be. I want you guys to use these SMART goals that I'm going to teach you guys. Apparently my shirt is caught. There we go. I'm going to teach you guys these SMART goals so that you guys can see these pieces. All right. So let's get started. The first one is S. It's for specific. Okay. That is going to be whatever you choose as far as increase your email subscribers by 20%. Or maybe it's to put out 5 or 6 pieces of content more than you put out last week. Like right now, I'm in the middle of a 30-day content challenge. It's called Sprint, right? Whatever that specific goal is for that week, that month, however you are comfortable creating goals, whether they're, bite-sized pieces like me, I have to create them weekly, right? Some people can create them monthly and just charge forward. That's why I'm doing the 30-day challenge, is because for me, I want to see that longer term, right? So then we're going to look at measurable. That's our M. Okay, so how are we going to do that? Measurable. We're going to track our growth weekly. For me, I'm going to consistently see that I put out a check mark for every day I did the content and did content well. Not just putting out content, but content that serves my audience, right? Because content isn't a checkbox that you can just check off. Making sure that that measurable growth is there for you, whatever that measurable is, right? If it happens to be, your specific goal happens to be increase email subscribers, well, then you want to look measurably, did you get anybody in your email list new, right? That's measurable. Achievable, okay? What could you start with? Start with 2 lead magnets, right? To make that goal achievable, what do you need to start with? How can you break down that piece to make sure you run through the achievable goals that you're setting for yourself, right? How do you get from here to the end goal? What's going to make this specific goal achievable? You have to find what piece fits right here. Well, if you're looking to increase your email subscribers by 20% or content output, this achievable would be what is relatively reasonable for you to do. Can you put out more content in a day? Is that going to screw up your algorithm? There's a couple pieces that go into that, right? But making sure that this piece is achievable for your specific goal is important, okay? So then we want to look at relevant. relevant would be, is growing my email list going to help me launch my course, my thing? Is putting out that underwater basket weaving freebie going to help me gain more followers on my TikTok or my Instagram or whatever it may be, right? Is it relevant to this specific goal? If it's not, find a relevancy to this specific goal, okay? So that should make sense. Your relevancy has to relate to your specificity, okay? All of these relate to your specific goal, okay? Again, bite size. And the last one is time bound. And that's usually what I hated working with in college, because I usually had professors that were like, hey, Les, it's due. Well, I don't always work best that way. I don't know if you guys are like that, but I am, okay? So time bound. Reach this goal within 3 months. Reach this goal within a week. Guys, you can do daily goals, okay? Don't put yourself out to pasture too soon. Take moments, take breaks, and remember why you're creating these SMART goals. Make sure it's obviously something specific that's going to grow your business if that's what you're looking to do. If you're just looking to grow yourself, you can do SMART goals too. As much as I don't like them, they're handy, they work. All right. I hope this has helped you guys. I ask you guys very, very deeply, make sure that you guys do this part. It will not only really cast a light on what you're after, it's going to really force you to sit down and get comfortable with yourself about knowing what you're looking for. If you're looking to be the first millionaire in your family, you got some work to do, right? So I will catch you guys on the flip side. Thank you so much for hanging out with me, and watch out for the next video. Make sure there's a button around here, whether it's like, subscribe, comment, whatever platform you happen to be watching this on. Make sure you either like, comment, all the things, right? We'll catch you soon. Have a good one, guys.